In this video, I want to share with you guys a superpower that I've been able to tap into as an entrepreneur, as a life insurance agent, that has allowed me to scale my business to $20, $30, $40, $50,000 per month consistently, and allows me to help agents just like you scale their life insurance businesses and just level up as an entrepreneur and a CEO. Because as an entrepreneur, especially in the online making money online space, this really is a crucial part to having success long term, but also in the short term. That's helped me provide clarity and focus in my business, right? And if we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafay, and I help life insurance agents just like you scale their life insurance businesses. And the reason that I'm credible to do that, because I've made a few $100,000 online selling life insurance myself, and now I help life insurance agents just like you. So let's just get right into the video. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below and comment what kind of videos you guys want to see next, because I want to make these videos very valuable for you guys. But the superpower that I'm talking about is clarity and focus, and the way that I really tap into that, and the importance of this as a business owner, is because we have so many thoughts coming into our mind. There's so many different problems we're trying to solve. There's so many different outside forces that are coming in, but it's sometimes hard to actually have clarity when you have so many different thoughts going on and so many different loose ends in your head that aren't allowing you to really have clarity and focus on dialing in a step-by-step process so you can make more money, and you can have clarity. Because at the end of the day, like, clarity has really helped me make good decisions, has helped me think long-term, but also has really allowed me to scale faster than I actually thought I would. And so what I do, because I was actually having this weekend, is I felt like there's so many different things that I was thinking about, and my energy just felt low, and I wasn't feeling great, to be honest, like health-wise. And so what I did is I went outside on my balcony, and I just journaled. And so I took my journal, and I literally wrote down all the different things that I was feeling, all the different things I was thinking about, literally everything possible, right, in different categories of my life, whether it's business, personal, marriage, my relationship with God, all these different things, because there's so many different thoughts that I was having, but I felt like unclear, and I felt like I had lack of direction of what the next steps in my life needed to look like. And so what I did was I just sat down, and for 45 minutes, I just journaled, like all my thoughts and all my feelings and literally everything that I could think of in every different compartment of life, and just to get it out there, because it helps. It's therapeutic just to be able to get all my thoughts out. And then I can think clearly, okay, what do I do with all these feelings and thoughts? And what I realize is that when there's consistent things that have come up, and I know that I need to deal with those, or I need to make changes on them. And so what I do, and this is really going to help you in your business, in your life, is write all the things out that you're feeling and thinking, right? Whether that's, hey, I don't feel like I'm as profitable as I think, or hey, it's really like tough because these credit card bills are coming up. I feel like I have to pay rent. I feel like I have to buy these leads, which I don't have a lot of money right now. My mentor is not as good, or they're great, but I'm not doing my part. I feel insecure in this way. This person is ahead of me, and I feel insecure about that. Whatever it is that you're feeling, right? My relationship, we had this fight. Whatever you're feeling and is taking up your time, write it down. And then that'll actually allow you to, one, get it out, so it's not lingering in the back of your head, and that'll free up energy and focus and clarity in your head to be able to actually make good decisions. But also it allows you to really see on paper, what am I actually thinking? What are my thoughts consumed of? And how do I take these thoughts and feelings that I have and actually create an action plan so that I can really attack my day? Because here's the reality. When you're an entrepreneur and you're a CEO and you're a business owner, your personal problems in your personal life will show up in your business. And so the likelihood, if you're solving a problem in your business, that you're seeing it on the back end, and you're seeing it actually come out in your business, the likelihood of that actually happening, of your personal and business actually reflecting the same things, is very true, because that's who you are. And so being able to level up as a business owner, being able to level up as an entrepreneur comes from the self-development that you have, comes from being able to handle literally whatever comes at you, being able to have a bulletproof mindset, having a consistency, right? And so for the longest time, I struggled with consistency in my life. And so I was like, how is this manifesting in my actual personal life? And then how do I see this in business, and how do I get it so dialed in my personal life and make this create habits around this problem so I can solve it, so that it actually reflects in my business life. And so what I did was like, hey, I'm going to be making videos every single day. So now this is like the 48th or 49th video straight, 49 days straight that I've made a YouTube video, because I'm hammering in that consistency. When I wanted to really grow in my fitness, I went to the gym 50 days straight. And yeah, that might not be the best thing, but I wanted the habit so cemented in my life that this is important to me, and I'm going to make time even when I don't feel like it. And so it really comes down to building habits as well to be able to get to the outcome that you want to go. But then also, how do you actually do this in your personal life? How do you actually figure out, okay, what do I actually want and what do I want to accomplish? And then how do I build systems in my life so that I can continue actually achieving that over and over and over and over again? Here's another example. When I wanted to really cement the habit of making money consistently and actually repeating those habits, what I did was like, hey, once I hit this certain threshold, I'm actually going to go buy a course and buy a coach and invest more into my business, into my life. And so this is where it really becomes a game, is if you can reward yourself for the things that you're actually doing, right? Rewarding yourself for doing the right things over and over and over and over and over again. And you actually get fulfillment and joy and excitement for being able to level up more. And then it's just this endless cycle when you hit more, when you hit business goals, being able to invest more so you can make more money and actually level up more in that way. That is something that I really recommend. That's really helped me, right? And so I make these videos because I want to help you guys. I want to be able to share with you guys the things that I'm learning on a day-to-day basis. But if you can provide clarity, if you can get clarity in your life, in your business, in your wherever you're at right now, it'll allow you to have more energy, more focus, to be able to actually have more productivity in your life and your business, so you can make the most of the time you're spending. Because the reality is, you're probably saying you're working 60 to 70 hours a week, but what's the productivity actually like? What are you actually doing on a day-to-day, hour by hour, minute by minute basis? Are you actually working? If not, why? And it's probably because of these things that I just shared with you, not having focus, not having clarity in your life. And so right now, if you're struggling with lack of clarity, write it down. Just write down everything you're thinking. Get it all out of your system, so that you can strategically think about the future and what the future is going to be like. So I hope this helps. It really has really helped me. It's really helped the team that I work with really level up as an entrepreneur, because your personal development has to be the most important thing, because money will follow that personal development. So the reason why you're not at where you want to be right now is because either one, you have lack of clarity, you lack the skills or character traits, or you lack the beliefs that you actually can get to where you want to go. So that's why I really believe in investing in my personal life, personal development, leveling up my mind, and just becoming a better person overall, because I know that a healthy and really great business will follow that. So if you don't have the business that you want right now, look at yourself in the mirror and say, what are the things that I can work on right away and build systems and processes around, and also habits around, so that I can level up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this was helpful. Drop in the comments down below if this was helpful, what you're going to take from this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.